नमस्कार. आमगेले कोंकणी खाण आणि जेवण चॅनलांतून तुमचं स्वागत. आम्ही आता 50 व्हिडिओज घालेले आसा चॅनल. ते सगळं तुम्ही छान सपोर्ट केलेले आमकां छान खुशी आसा. आणि आमचे व्हिडिओज सगळं तुम्ही चड सपोर्ट दिवंक आम्ही विनंती करता. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि बेल आयकन प्रेस करून सबस्क्राइब कराय.
Polya Puddi is a must-have chutney powder to be stocked in every household. This comes in handy at times when you're not able to make any other side dish, and for the great taste it offers as a dip to steaming hot idlis and crisp polos. It can also be used while you're traveling. This can be made easily at home. In a thick bottom pan, add 1 cup of urad dal and roast at medium flame without burning it to a light brown color. Keep aside on a dry plate. Then roast half cup of chana dal to a golden brown color and transfer to the plate. Now add a little oil and roast about 10 to 15 red chilies according to your spice level. When the color has changed, you can add about 1 teaspoon of hing if you wish. Add the chilies as well to the dals. Now add about 2 tablespoons of til or sesame seeds. Roast till they have stopped popping or turned a light brown. Now, in a sun-dried mixer, add the dals and the chilies. Powder coarsely. Then add the til, add salt to taste, and again powder to a not so fine powder. Transfer this to a well-dried, airtight container. Always use a dry spoon so that it stays good for a long time. For best taste, add the dal or oil which had been used for deep frying. Enjoy this with any kind of idlis or polos. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.